Was macOS better when it first came out back in 1984? Or is it much better now in 2026? We'll see if this operating system can handle even the most basic tasks, starting with the settings. How did old people even change the settings back in the day? On macOS Tahoe, it's pretty straightforward. You just open up System Settings, Application right here. So I have clicked on the Apple icon and I think it's Control Panel. Okay, so there's a bunch of icons. This is so weird. Okay. What is that noise? I don't know. For some reason my cursor becomes a plus sign when I'm in the settings. What am I changing right now? This one is a keyboard. This one I understand. This one is a volume slider. This one... What is that? This is the mouse, I believe. There's a dinosaur and a rabbit. I just toggled a bunch of stuff around and I'm not sure if anything even changed. Thank you. On macOS Tahoe, it's super simple. You just read what you need and then you go to the section and change your screen resolution or anything. Wait, is that the wallpaper or something? It's super strange. Why are there like cubes or something? What is this special thing? Clean up, view, and all of them are grayed out. I can't even use them. Show clipboard. About the Finder. Macintosh Finder version 1.0, January 1884. And actually, let's check out some applications. But first, I wanna see what are these desktop icons that I have. And the opening animation is super cool, actually. And now I can see my system disk. What is this? Mac Paint 1.0. Mac Paint by Bill Atkinson. Oh yeah, and you can just draw here. Okay, quit. Also, macOS doesn't really come with a specific application for painting. I guess you can use Freeform for that, or you can draw in Notes, but there isn't like a Paint application. Okay, let's go back to system disk and let's check out what are these folders. Empty folder. I can't right click. There is no contextual menu. I can only, I guess, do stuff from here. I don't see any options for creating a folder. Utilities. Okay, there's more applications. They are kind of scattered all around the system. Clipboard file, scrapbook file, image writer, notepad file, Finder. Let's open up that one. I guess these are like system files. Okay, teach text. What is this one? Okay, so this is like notepad basically. Hello, subscribe. How do I save it? Save. And it's like I can only have one program open at a time. Also, about this desktop wallpaper, if you look at it for too long, it starts to make your eyes hurt a little bit. Font mover, what is this one? And there's a lot of fonts. San Francisco A18. Oh, and we can see how it looks like. And wait, is there something like this on modern macOS as well? I think there was that font book. On this application we can manage fonts. And what is this button? Oh, it's not a button. This is where I drag if I want to resize a window. And what about this Infinite HD disk? What is this one that I have? Oh, there's more applications. We have Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Basic. I didn't think Microsoft Excel is this old. Insufficient memory to run. Sample expenses. Maybe we can open that one. Insufficient memory to run. We cannot run it. This one is called Mac Paint and this one is called Mac Draw. How are they different? They even have like a very similar icon. This is Mac Draw. Active document, number of objects. My cursor becomes like a finger or something. Save changes before closing and it's just this icon. Also, it's interesting how in this old macOS all of the applications are accessible from a folder basically. While on modern macOS you can just open up Spotlight and there you have all of your apps selection. And then we can also hover over this Apple icon. Okay, scrapbook. What is that one? What is this? Okay, that's a fish. Puzzle. What is this one? It is a puzzle. Oh, you have to move your character, like your numbers like this. 1, 2, 3, and there's supposed to be 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay. It's cool that this one has built-in games. Mac Tahoe also has a built-in game and it's chess. And there's one more program which is called Monkey. But when I press on it, it opens up this seed window. I guess I can just type something and press on start and it's gonna like start moving my cursor in a weird way. This is like if a monkey sat on my computer and started using it. And it's making weird sounds as well. Then I want to look at file management on both macOS versions. On this one, it's of course super simple. You open up Finder, you can go to any directory, you can create folders, you can move files, and everything is super clear. I think these are the directories that we have, the only directories. And you open them and this is kind of the file manager. And I can't even find a way to create folders. Okay, we also have view options. Oh, and there's this kind of view, like a list. So this one has the same view options that modern macOS also has. And then what else? Edit, select all. Can I delete all of them? No, they are system files. I cannot delete them. I can duplicate them. The disk is full. Can I duplicate this one? Oh yeah, I can. Get info. This is also an option here. Information about copy of MacPaint 1.0. Created Tuesday, January 24, 1984. Modified 2023. That's such a bizarre thing to read. On this macOS, it seems like we can only adjust some settings, manage our files, and check out some programs, basically. It doesn't even seem like there's an internet browser. Or at least I can't find it. Okay, but at least the calculator works. Also, on this calculator, we can switch between modes, scientific, and it just becomes so much more advanced. Programmer, okay, Unicode, ASCII, hide binary. This is what your grandpa was forced to use back in the day. You can't even play Minecraft on this one.